Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today is not a sit down video, okay? It's kind of different. Don't mind that noise. It's baby Isabel like watching the not. So today I'm carrying you guys along. Today I'm doing the microblading. Yes. So if you want to see how it looks like, how it's being done. So join me. So let me carry you guys along today. Let's have a different video. It's a vlog, okay?
Side gently.
So guys,
Turn side.
the very first stage is consultation,
Yeah,
where
turn
you'll
back.
be
Take it back
analyzing
gently.
your natural eyebrow
Take it back
looking.
gently.
So she was just looking
Take it
at
back again.
where she's going to be
Yeah, bring it back.
pigmenting to follow my natural eyebrow. So you put the local anesthetic agent.
This will have to stand still.
This is like after like 25 minutes. So now she's drawing my eyebrow. So we are at this stage. My brows have been cut out. Meu opinião. Am I still shaking? I like the color.
For you to stay still,
Look at it, guys. Looking good already.
Yeah, turn. Wow, you give us wow effect. Good. Yeah, turn it gently, slowly.
I love it.
Relax the face and turn side by side. Yeah, turn again. Turn.
It looks so natural. Mama. No more stress. Oh, I'm putting eyebrow in the morning.